Section 8.4 gives us some instruction in learning to solve problems. And this is something that most people could get better at, and some people really struggle with. So this is a general approach to solving problems. First, you need to figure out where you're going. So read the entire problem, and that, maybe sounds a little simplistic, but it's surprising how many students just start solving problems without having read the whole thing. You have to read it all the way through. If you don't understand what it's saying, then you need to fix that problem first. Read it again, look at the textbook, ask the teacher, ask a fellow student. You got to understand the problem, and then decide on the final goal. What am I trying to solve? Then you have to figure out how you're going to get there. Sometimes you need to work backwards. You've figured out, okay, I need to find the mass of hydrogen. How do I get there? Where do I start? Maybe it's not at all obvious. Then work backwards from the end to figure out where to start. After you get an answer, then you should always do a reality check and ask yourself, does my answer make sense? Is it reasonable? There are some problems where you can't really tell if it's reasonable or not, but many times you can. If you end up with an answer that's 0.03 atoms, is it possible to have less than one atom? No. If you end up with a mass of product that a student made that's 4 times 10 to the 17th kilograms, is that a reasonable amount for a student to have made in lab? No, it probably wouldn't actually fit in the lab. So, try to use some common sense and look at that answer. Does it make any sense? So those are some guidelines for problem solving.